In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer funds QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record money moving between your accounts inside QuickBooks Online so your books stay clean and easy to reconcile. Think of this as telling QuickBooks that money went from one account to another, like checking to savings or checking to a credit card, not actually moving the cash at your bank. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the main screen, look to the left-hand navigation. Open the Create menu. Depending on your view, it may appear as a New or Create button. This is where QuickBooks keeps the tools for everyday transactions. In the menu that opens, head to the section labeled Other, then choose Transfer. This brings up the transfer window, which is designed specifically for moving funds between accounts you already track in QuickBooks. At the top, you'll see Transfer Funds From. Click the drop-down and select the account the money is leaving. This is typically your checking account, but it could be another bank account, or even a credit card if you're recording a payment to reduce that balance. Take a second to confirm you've really chosen the source account. You don't want to reverse these by mistake. Next, choose Transfer Funds To. Click the drop-down and pick the destination account, the place the money is going. Make sure the destination is different from the source. Transferring to the same account won't make sense in your records. If you don't see the account you need, it might not be set up as a bank or credit card account in your chart of accounts yet. Enter the transfer amount. Use a positive number. QuickBooks will handle the direction based on the From and To fields you selected. Then set the date of the transfer. Match the date you see on your bank activity whenever possible. Accurate dates make bank reconciliation faster and prevent duplicate or unmatched transactions later. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will create one clean transfer entry that decreases the balance in the source account and increases the balance in the destination account. If you use bank fees, you'll later be able to match this recorded transfer to the incoming bank transactions instead of adding a new one, which keeps your books tidy. That's all there is to it. Open the Create menu, choose Transfer under Other, pick the correct From and To accounts, enter the amount and date, and save. With this simple workflow, your internal moves of money are documented clearly, and month-end reconciliation becomes a whole lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.